Hey everyone, it's me. In this video, we are going to talk about a business idea that will allow you to work from home or from anywhere in the world. Well, in this video, we'll discuss a business model that is low cost, scalable, and in demand right now. We'll also share with you some useful tips on how to succeed in this industry. So watch till the end. Do you want to build a business you can run from your laptop and phone? But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. We help you build profitable businesses and scale them to 7 and 8 figures. Now let's dive in. It's called content marketing. Unlike traditional jobs, content marketing allows you to be your own boss and set your own hours. Compared to other businesses that require significant startup costs, content marketing is relatively inexpensive to start. You can use free resources such as social media and online communities to market your services and build a client base. You can choose when to work and when to take breaks, which makes it a great option for those who have other commitments such as family or school. Then content marketing could be the perfect option for you. So let's talk about the 3 reasons why content marketing is a great business idea. To be successful in content marketing, you need to have the necessary skills to create engaging and effective content. A portfolio is essential for showcasing your work and attracting potential clients. Even if you don't have any previous experience, you can create a portfolio website. It's a low-cost, scalable business model that can be run from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. If you're looking for a business idea that offers flexibility and the ability to work remotely, content marketing may be the perfect option for you. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start your own content marketing business today. Remember to pick a niche, build your skills, create a portfolio, find clients, and scale up as your business grows. Good luck and see you in the next one. Once you've built your skills and created a portfolio, it's time to find clients. You can start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Additionally, you can reach out to small businesses in your area or niche and offer your content marketing services directly. With platforms like WordPress or Wix, and include samples of your work such as blog posts or videos that you've created. This includes content writing, SEO, or video editing. You can build your skill set by taking courses on free platforms such as HubSpot Academy or YouTube tutorials. Whether you're writing, editing, planning strategy, or managing social media, content marketing gives you options. But how much can you make? Well, according to ZipRecruiter, the average hourly pay for a content marketing specialist in the United States is $21.83 per hour. When starting your content marketing business, it's important to focus on a particular niche or industry. As your client base grows, you can scale up your business by offering more services, raising your rates, and eventually building a small team. You can also explore new opportunities in content marketing, such as paid advertising or influencer marketing. This could be anything from technology and travel to fashion and business. Choosing a niche will help you target your services to a specific audience and establish yourself as an expert in that field. Working from home has become the norm in recent years. With content marketing, you can easily work remotely from any location with an internet connection. All you need is a laptop or a smartphone and you're good to go. The best part is that it's a flexible job. You can work remotely and set your own hours. It is also a great option for those who want to start their own business with little to no money. You may have heard of it, but you might not know how big of an industry it is and how many opportunities there are to get involved. Content marketing is the art of using helpful, entertaining, or educational content to attract customers. This includes blog writing, videos, social media, newsletters, and more. Basically, any type of content that helps a business attract and engage with its target audience can be part of a content marketing strategy. So, what is the business idea? The best thing about content marketing is that every business today needs it, and they all pay you to create it. If you were looking for a business idea that will allow you to work from anywhere in the world, no. 1, work from anywhere. Number 2, set your own hours. No. 3, start with little to no money. Now that we've covered the basics of content marketing, let's move on to how to start a content marketing business step by step. No. 1, pick your niche. No. 2, build your skill set. No. 3, create a portfolio. No. 4, find clients. Number 5, scale up. In conclusion, content marketing is a booming industry that offers numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs.